So I'd recommend, really, if you're getting started with guitar, all you need is a tuner and your thumb, or a pick if you like. Either one will work. So let's get started with tuning up just for a minute. Just as a reminder, the open strings on your guitar are tuned standard tuning: E, A, D, G, B, E, from lowest to highest. We number these strings 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So as you strum, you're strumming 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You don't have to remember those necessarily, but it is a good idea to remember the names of the notes of each of your open strings, just in case you need to know that for specifics I'll get into later. So I won't get into tuning a whole lot today, but just as a reminder, the way to good tuning, easy, simple tuning, is to play your string while you tune. Now, a lot of people will play their string and then turn, and then play the string again, and then turn. It's actually better to turn and play at the same time, because then you hear a change. You hear that pitch go up, then you hear it go back down again. Yes, now if you're looking at the tuner will tell you if you're right. But it's also good to use your ear. So practice being able to hear high and low pitch. It will actually get you really good at tuning very precisely. Tuners can get you in the right neighborhood, but very often you can just use your ear so that when you play your chords, you'll get the best sound possible. Okay, we'll be talking about finger numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, index or main pointer finger number 1, and the others follow. And we'll also be using chord diagrams that look like this, the guitar up and down. We're going to be talking about chords that are only played at the first 3 frets. So that's all we need, is just 3 frets, and then some dots to show us where to put our fingers. If you're an absolute beginner, you'll be able to follow along with me today if you like.